I'm starting to get some inquiries on a Google form that I have on my LinkedIn profile. And so when I call them back, because they give their phone number, what do I say on that call? Because it's not a cold call. Do I say, I don't know how to start that conversation.
Yeah, perfect. Okay, so they filled out the form. They filled out the inquiry form. I want you to call them back. I'm going to graphically show you what I want it to look like. And you're like, Matt, I'm not that big yet, brother. We're going to pretend you're that big. Let's say you're a giant office and you just landed your helicopter down on the roof of Truder Consulting corporate headquarters in Singapore, right? No, oh, everybody, freaking Chris San's here. Cheapers, creepers, we better get our act together. The big boss is here. And you went and saw this thing that somebody felt, and you're like, who's calling them? Well, I don't know. I got it. You're going to call him and go, hey, Matt, Chris Truder with Truder Consulting. Wanted to reach out to you personally, make sure my people got you all the information you needed. Okay? Boom, that's it. Right? Now, this is why I'm not saying you're not referencing the form. Why are you not referencing the form? If you reference the form, you are flying under the radar, not the good flying under the radar, the bad flying under the radar. You're just a guy in a cube that's looking at their form, right? Hey, I noticed you filled out a form. They're like, hey, I'm really busy. Not a good time to talk. I'm just getting ready to step into a meeting. But if you sound like the freaking CEO of the company, which you are, Chris, it's just debatable how many people, whether it's 1,000 people that work for you or 100. We're just going to say it's right down the middle. You have 500 people working for you. You're going to say, hey, wanted to reach out to you personally, make sure my people got you all the information you needed. They're going to say this word, Z, thank you. And you're going to go, my pleasure. What can I get you information on? Now, why you didn't reference the form is now you have a silver bullet if they're like, I don't really remember. You had filled out a form, I believe, on the LinkedIn page. Now you're getting basically juice to prime the pump to get the conversation started. So wanted to reach out to you personally, make sure my people got you all the information you need. They're going to say, thank you. You're going to say, my pleasure. What can I get you information on? If they're like, I honestly don't remember how you had filled out a form on LinkedIn, right? Cool, calm, collected, bang, 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 bang. Cool?
Awesome.
Hey, it's Matt Easton. If you like this video, you're going to love this. I'm about to give you my closing mini masterclass absolutely free for you. Click the link here and I'm going to cover the $300. You're going to know how to close. Life is about to get a lot easier for you. No strings, no catches. I'm going to give you the closing mini masterclass for free right here, right now. I'll see you on the other side.